Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new bank account to QuickBooks Online step by step. Connecting your bank account helps QuickBooks automatically import your transactions, making it much easier to track expenses, reconcile accounts, and keep your bookkeeping accurate. I'll walk you through two reliable methods you can use depending on your situation. Let's start with the first method, which is connecting your bank account through bank feeds. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting, then select Bank Transactions. This page shows all the bank accounts that are currently connected to your QuickBooks account. To add a new one, click on the Link Account button. This will open a screen where you can search for your bank. You can either select your bank from the list shown on the screen or simply type your bank's name into the search bar to find it quickly. After selecting your bank, QuickBooks will ask you to log in using your bank's online banking credentials. This connection is secure and encrypted, so your data stays protected. Once you enter your login details, your bank may ask you to verify your identity. Usually, this is done by sending a verification code to your phone or email. Enter that code to continue. After verification, QuickBooks will display the accounts available under your bank login. From this list, select the accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. For each account, you'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select the correct account type, such as checking or savings. Next, choose the date range for importing transactions. QuickBooks typically allows you to import transactions from the last 90 days or from the beginning of the year. Select the range you prefer, then click Connect. Once the connection is complete, your bank account will appear in QuickBooks, and your transactions will start showing in the For Review tab. From there, you can review, categorize, and match each transaction with existing records to avoid duplicates. Now let's talk about the second method, which is adding a bank account manually. This option is useful if your bank isn't supported by QuickBooks, or if you prefer not to connect your bank login details.